Hello and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to look at one of the most important skills in the IELTS Academic Reading test, understanding paraphrased questions. Many candidates read a question, they search for exactly the same words in the passage, and become very frustrated when they can't find those words. That's because IELTS usually doesn't test your ability to match words. It tests your ability to match meaning. Today I will show you exactly how IELTS changes wording and how successful candidates recognize the answer anyway. Before we begin, please subscribe if you are preparing for IELTS Academic Reading test. You will find more lessons on this channel on reading, writing, listening, speaking, and test preparation in general. Okay, with that out of the way, let's go into paraphrasing. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing means expressing the same idea using different words. Let's begin with a very simple example. Imagine the question says, the number of tourists increased significantly. Now read this from the passage. The passage says, visitor numbers rose sharply during the summer months. At first glance, these look very different, but compare them carefully. In the question, it says number of tourists increased significantly. In the passage, it says visitor numbers rose sharply. Every important word has changed, but the meaning is exactly the same. This is paraphrasing. This is what IELTS does throughout the reading test. Think like a high-scoring candidate if you are going to understand this and pass your test. Imagine you are answering a question. The question says, why did the city introduce stricter traffic laws? You start reading the passage, then you find this sentence in the passage. The council implemented tougher road regulations after accidents became more frequent. Many candidates miss this answer because they expect to see the word city introduce stricter traffic laws in the passage. Instead, IELTS uses different language. Let's compare them here again. In the question, it says city introduced stricter traffic laws. In the passage, it says council implemented tougher road regulations. Now ask yourself, is the meaning the same? The answer is yes. So you have probably found the correct location of the answer. Example number 1 in multiple choice. Let's look at different examples. So let's start by looking at multiple choice and how paraphrasing happens there. Let's work through an IELTS style question. The question is, why did many farmers change their irrigation methods? A, to reduce costs. B, to conserve water. C, to improve soil quality. Now read the part of the passage which gives the answer to that question. As rainfall became less reliable, many agricultural communities adopted new watering systems in order to use less water. Let's think aloud here. First, identify the important idea. The question asks, why did they change irrigation methods? Now compare the wording here. In the question, it says farmers changed irrigation methods, conserve water. In the passage, it says agricultural communities adopted new watering systems, use less water. Notice something important here. The exact words never appear, but conserve water and use less water mean the same thing. So the correct answer is B, to conserve water. Let us go now and look at example number 2 in sentence completion questions. Now, we'll try this one. Complete the sentence. The researchers discovered that sleep improves dash 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 dash. Now, read the passage. The study concluded that a good night's sleep enhances people's ability to remember information. Many candidates immediately look for the word improves. They won't find it in the passage. Instead, let's compare this. In the question, it says improves researchers discovered memory. In the passage, what we find is enhances, researchers is studies, discovered is concluded, memory, ability to remember information. So ask yourself, what exactly should I write? The instruction says answer must come from the passage. So don't write memory. Instead, copy the exact words that are in the passage. Ability to remember information. Notice what happened. The question was paraphrased, but the answer still had to be copied directly from the passage. This is extremely common in IELTS reading test. Okay, let's look at another type of question that will require you to have the paraphrasing skills. Example 3. Beware of distractors. Now let us look at a trap. Distractors. Think of distractors as we are looking at a trap. According to the passage, why was the bridge replaced? That's the question. Why was the bridge replaced? Now read this paragraph. The old bridge had become popular with tourists because of its historical design. However, engineers later discovered structural damage and the bridge was eventually replaced to improve public safety. Many candidates see the word tourists and stop reading there. They think, oh, I found a matching idea, but that's not the answer. The real reason comes later. Let's compare. In the question, it says replaced. In the passage, it says eventually replaced to improve public safety. Okay? The mention of tourists is simply extra information. IELTS often includes these distractors to see whether you understand the whole sentence. Always read beyond the first matching word. Okay? Let us look at example number 4 in matching headings. You know, some questions you have to match a heading to a paragraph. Now, let's try and read this. For decades, scientists believed bees relied mainly on instinct. Recent research, however, suggests they can learn from previous experiences and modify their behavior accordingly. Which heading fits best? The decline in bee population. Bees are capable of learning, protecting endangered insects. The paragraph never says bees are capable of learning. Instead, it says learn from previous experiences, modify their behavior. Those ideas paraphrase the heading. The answer is bees are capable of learning. Another example, I'll give you another example. Example number 5. This is coming from short answer questions. Okay? The question says, who approved the construction project? Now let's read the passage. The proposal received formal authorization from the local planning committee before work began. Compare the wording. Approved, the passage says gave formal authorization. Construction project, proposal, local planning committees. You can see how these words are paraphrased. The answer is simply the local planning committee. IELTS changes almost every word in the question. So, what should you do? Build a paraphrase habit. Whenever you read a question, don't search for the exact wording. Instead, pause for a few seconds and think, how else could IELTS express this idea? For example, we've got a question which says, it says increase. But the paraphrase could mean rise, grow, expand, and climb. Decrease could mean fall, decline, reduce, drop. Buy could mean purchase or acquire. Help could mean assist, support, aid. Begin can mean start or commence. Difficult could be challenging, demanding, complicated. Damage could be harm, destroy, weaken. Important could be significant, essential, or crucial. The more synonyms you recognize, the easier IELTS reading becomes. A simple 4-step strategy whenever you answer a reading question, follow these 4 steps. Step number 1, read the question carefully. Underline the important words. For example, Why did the company reduce production? Important ideas. Company reduce. Okay. Step number 2. Think of possible paraphrases. Company could become manufacturer, business, organization. Reduce could become decrease, cut, lower. Production could become output, manufacturing. Step number 3, find the section of the passage. Don't expect identical words. Look for the same meaning. Step number 5, read the whole sentence before choosing your answer. This helps you avoid distractors. Remember the copying rule. Many IELTS questions require answers taken directly from the passage. For example, in the question, complete the sentence, the experiment was delayed because of dash 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 dash. In the passage, it says the experiment had to be postponed because of the unexpected equipment failure. You recognize that delayed is equal to postponed, but your answer should not be postponed. The question asks because of, so you copy the exact phrase from the passage. Expected equipment failure. Recognize the paraphrase. Copy the answer exactly as it appears in the passage, not as it appears in the question. Okay, what are the key points to remember? Remember these important ideas. Number 1, IELTS usually tests meaning, not identical vocabulary. Questions and passages often use different words to express the same idea. Think about synonyms before searching. Don't stop at the first matching word. Read the whole sentence to avoid distractors. In completion tasks, recognize the paraphrase, but copy the answer exactly from the passage. That brings us to the end of this lesson. You have learned how IELTS paraphrases questions, how to recognize equivalent meaning, how to avoid common traps, and how to approach paraphrased questions with confidence. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next academic reading lesson. Bye-bye.